What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Renzo the Magnificent from Fortnite Season 2. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the outside edge of the eyes. We leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left, draw a straight angled line going up and out. Let's line up the bottom on the right side and do the same thing. And then from the top, we're just going to slope the top of the eye going up and out. Now we connect these 2 points with a curve, going up the middle and then back down. And then from the side, angle the eyes, coming down and then out. Let's round out the bottom of the eye. I'm going to go out and pull that up towards the side. And we'll close off the top with a straight angled line. Now we want to place the eyes along the inside. Starting from the inside point, angle this up and out. And we go straight up and out towards the outside of the eyes. And I come down towards the bottom. Coming down and in. And just angle that back up and in towards the inside. Let's fill the outside area of the eyes in black. Now from this curve, we're going to step down, draw a short line going across the top edge of the nose, and then from the ends, angle this down and out towards the side. Just draw a short angled line coming in. I'm just going to pull this up and in toward the center, and then we'll fill the nose in black. Now from here, let's move out and draw on the cheekbones. From this point, let's step out. Just going to curve the cheeks, going down, and we'll just bend that in. Let's go over towards the right and do the same thing, coming down and in towards the same height. Now I just want to bend this in and then down towards the bottom of the teeth. Let's add 4 points along the bottom. So on the left side, angle this up and in. Now I'm going to draw 2 more points on the inside and go up and in towards the middle. Let's go to the outside point, draw a straight line going up, bend this out and then down towards the side. Let's add 2 more points from the center going up and out and then down towards the side. Now from the bottom point, angle this down and in towards the middle, and then close off the bottom. Now from the side of the cheeks, we're going to step in, draw 2 straight angle lines coming down and then in. Towards the jaw, angle this down and then in behind the chin. Let's add a trim along the inside. Stepping in, draw a short angle line coming down. And then from here, bend this in and then down towards the bottom of the tooth. Let's add some teeth along the side. From this point, go up, angle that back down. I just want to repeat this towards the inside of the mouth. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, now from the side of the cheek, we're just going to bend the head, coming in and then up. Let's add a point, coming down and in towards the eye. bend this up, and then in towards the top. Let's bend this back in towards the center of the head. So start on the left, come in, and then down. And we'll close off the top of the head. From this point, we're gonna go up, round this out, and then bend that down towards that bottom point. Let's add a cover on the side of the head. Start from the top left, and it's down and out. Now it's going to round up the side, coming around and then back in. Angle this down and in towards the side of the jaw. Let's add those 3 circles in the center of the forehead. Starting right in the middle with 1 circle, go up and out, and draw 2 more. Let's trace this out along the bottom. Stepping down, just follow that curve, coming in toward the center of the forehead, go up towards the right. Now let's add the hair along the top. Starting from this point, goes up and out, and just taper that back in. Let's add a longer point, going up toward the left, and then out, go all the way across, and then down towards the right. Let's add a small point, going in, and then down. Now I'm going to bend the last ones over towards the right, going out, come in, add 1 small one along the bottom. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side, underneath the head, bend this out, and then down towards the hip, go to the right side, come down towards the same height. I'm going to add a curve, coming in and then down. Let's connect the bottom with a curve, coming down and then back up. Let's trace this bottom curve along the top, coming in, up, and then back out. Let's add the collar of the sweater. From the top of the body, we're going to step in, and move this down in towards the middle. Now let's trace this V along the outside, and we leave a gap in the center. From the middle, about 2 lines going down, close this off with a straight line. Now let's add in the shirt collar. Leave a gap in the center, on the left, bend this down and out. Do the same thing on the right. Now in this area, we're going to draw a small diamond shape. From the bottom of this curve, let's step down, add a curve going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, go to the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now let's draw the heel of the shoe, draw a straight line going out on either side, and go up with a short line. I'm just going to bend the foot, going down and then out. From the toe, let's bend the foot, coming in and then up towards the ankle. And we'll add a curve along the bottom of the pant, going down and up. Now I want to trace this curve coming in towards the heel along the top, going up, and then come straight in. And then along the top of the foot, we draw 2 short angled lines coming in for the laces. Now let's go back up to the hips and close off the outside of the leg. We start on the left side, bend this out, and then down. Let's add that opening across the center of the right leg. We start from the inside, bend this in and up, come down and then out. Now we're going to work our way towards the bottom. Coming in and down, up and out. Now in the center, we're going to draw 2 angled lines, one on the left and one on the right. Let's separate this bone with 2 curves, one along the top bottom. Now you want to add a simple chain across the hip, starting on the left side, and it's down and out. And same thing on the right. Now we'll trace that same curve along the top. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the inside edge, starting halfway down the side of the body, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Line that up on the right. From the wrist, draw a small half circle coming in and out for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. I'm going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom curve of the thumb, come down and then up around that bracket. Step down towards the side, go out and up with the second finger. And we'll start the 3rd finger along the side, going out, and blend into the arm going up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting with that 1st finger. Let's separate the cuff, starting from the top of the thumb, then it's up and out towards the side. And draw that again, stepping up, following that towards the inside. Now let's add a small detail. On the outside of the cuff, draw a small button. Now one final detail, we're going to add the hair coming out from the left side. Let's start underneath this ear cover, come down and out, tape that back in. Let's add another curve, going out and then down, bend that in, and add one more curl, coming down and out. And I'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Renzo the Magnificent. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.